Sometimes it's hard to tell what will be available to power your specific event. You may be organizing a food truck rally, local arts festival, a community fair, or some other event that requires many different appliances or machinery. But how will you power it all? Introducing the AC Works brand GEKIT01, the first multi-purpose build-your-own bundle from AC Connectors. This versatile kit starts with the base products of PD4GF-010, SS2 L1430-018, S1030 1430-018, AD1430 L1430, and AD1450 L1430. From there you can add on a variety of different extension cords and power distributors. The more you add, the more you save. So let's walk through how this works on our website. Once you're on acworks.com, you can simply search for GE Kit. Click on the product listing. The base products for the kit are added right away. If that is all you need, then you are set to check out. If you need more household extension cords or generator extension cords, select the length desired and then add to the cart. The running total will appear at the bottom of the screen along with the discounts being applied. If you need another power distributor, L1430 F520 comes in different lengths as well. Each one of these different lengths can be found via a drop-down selector. There are a few different tiers we have to offer for discounts. Tier 1, spend $2.99 and get 5% off. Tier 2, spend $3.99 and get 5% off with free ground shipping. Tier 3, spend $4.99, get 10% off with free ground shipping. Tier 4, spend $5.99 and get 15% off with free ground shipping. With GE Kit 01 customized to your liking, you'll be ready to power any event. If you have any questions about this new kit, please leave us a comment down below or give us a call. You can also reach us with a text. Thank you for watching.